story of the two wolves. I'm not sure how many of you have heard or read this story, but it's a story where a Cherokee shares that there is a battle going on inside him, and he shares this with a boy, and he says that one of the wolves is full of arrogance and evil, basically negativity. Okay, I'm just going to keep it simple. The other wolf is full of positivity, and he shares that each and every one of us have this fight going on inside. And so then the boy asks, well, which of the wolves is going to win? And the Cherokee says, the one you feed. You're only a decision away from your success. You're a decision away to overcome anything. You're a decision away to get into that space that is going to be most beneficial to you. But it takes a decision. And most people are making unconscious decisions that are not beneficial to them. Most people are making decisions that are habitual and not realizing it. They're not realizing how often their thoughts continuously say something negative, and how much they focus on them and repeat them over and over and over again. And because they're so unconscious about it, it continues. And then the things that continue to show up in their life reflect that. If you become aware of your voices, how you're speaking to yourself, what thoughts you're feeding, what is going on, you have the power to decide anything you want in your life. You're in control. You're on your own terms. It is the most powerful place to be. It is the most empowering place to be. It's the healthiest place to be. Each and every one of you have this power. No matter where you are in your life or what is happening in your life, begin to notice the thoughts that you're feeding. Begin to notice what you're often watching, what you're often listening to, and what kind of vibe it carries, what kind of energy it carries, what kinds of thoughts are coming through. And if you're constantly feeding that wolf, that's the wolf that's going to win.